Hey everyone. So today I'm going to tell you how can you create an AI website agent that will supercharge your website and will help you to retain more customers and build trust among your visitors and clients. So we are going to understand the flow of the video, and I will also provide the demo, all the files, all the automations, all those will be present in the YouTube description. So let us understand the flow of the video first. What is a website agent? The live demo, and what are the current alternatives? What do you need? Why do you need one? Live explanation in N8N plus deploy on the WordPress website, and how to sell this agent. So what is a website agent first? Let us all know. Website agent Website Chat Agent is a tool on your website that can be used in order to serve queries made by the visitors and the clients coming to your website, such as answering queries regarding services, pricing related doubts, and booking one-on-one meeting. So now let us see Website Agent in action. So here is a dummy website that I have created, and I have attached a website agent here. So if we access that, so here are the greeting messages for mine, and I would like to know more about the business. Hey there. So let us assume that I am the visitor on this website, and here are the queries that I'm being made. So here is the query that I made. Yeah. So this has provided me the answer. I have already provided him the context about my business, and I will also show you one by one explanation of all the notes. But first of all, let us see the demo of the website agent. So here telling me about the business and everything about that. So yeah, let us make the second query. So here is the query that I made. So it is asking me, in order to get started, we can set up a quick meeting to discuss your vision and requirements. Can I grab your first name? Then I will need your email address so I can send the invite. After that, let me know your preferred date and time. I can offer time as soon as the next couple of days if you would like. So this website agent is useful in order to book meetings for our clients and for our visitors that are interested in getting our services. So for example, I would tell him name name is John Doe, email address John Doe at the rate gmail. So this is a dummy email address, and time would be Sunday. Fine for a 30. So this is the request that I have put in the chat agent, and yeah, let's see if that successfully books the meeting or not. So it told me that great to meet you, John. Just to confirm, you are looking for a 30-minute call this Sunday. What time works for you? Just a heads up, I am in a Pacific PST time zone. Okay. From So here is the time I input. Yeah. So perfect. Just to recap, name, email, date, and time. Yes, sure. Create the meeting. So yes, so it has created the link for the meeting, and for and it has already set up the meeting. So if we double check this, If we go to our Google Calendar, and we can see here that from 1:30 p.m. to 2 a.m., since this is the PST time zone, we are able to see that one is the attendee myself, and second is John Doe. And here is the 30-minute before call, and here is the discussion about the landing page. So it has created a meeting between me and my visitor. So first of all, let us understand what are the other alternatives that we have regarding the website agent. So first is the Intercom, that is very known worldwide, and here is the second is the Zendesk, Crisp, and many more. So why are we not using these? These platforms are very complex in architecture, in understanding, and each of them roughly costs around $50 per month. So why do you need one that is being made from the N8N? So let us understand the problem behind this. When your agency or the business is at nascent stage, then you try to maximize the value at minimum cost possible. Hence, using a complex software solutions like above can be overwhelming as well as costly for most of the people. Hence, instead of spending time and energy in setting up the complex solutions, you should spend time in doing things that actually helps your businesses, that actually get more leads, generate more revenue, and save time and money. So most of the businesses operating can provide a good product that can be built using AI in few days. So moat is not in the product, but it is in the customer support. A great business is not the one which does higher sales. It is the one who caters their customers and client queries and is transparent to them. So actual business builds on trust and relationship, and these agents are very helpful in order to create the relationship and the trust and build trust between you and your clients. So now I will do the live explanation and the deployment of the website agent that I have used now. So tools would be required would be N8N, OpenAI API. And for deploying, I would be using a WordPress website that I have created, a dummy WordPress website, and will connect the website agent on that website. So let us see. So here is the automation that I have created. I have created a chat message, a chat trigger. So few are the things that are required, that are very important in order to know us. Please make the chat publicly available. After that only you would be able to access the website agent through this. So make the chat publicly available and make the mode to hosted chat and keep the authentication to none. And here are the initial messages. You can write some custom messages in order as the initial messages. And here is the chat URL. Here is the AI agent node, and in the AI agent node, I have provided a description about my business and what the automation is required to do. So if I go through this prompt, I have said that you are a helpful, intelligent website chatbot for Stellardevs, a software development company. That is my company. The current date is now for this format, and you are in Pacific Standard Time Zone. You are a male and your name is Vibhu, and context about your business is below. We build a high converting landing pages. This is all the context regarding my business. And then I have said that as a website chatbot, you are tasked with answering questions about the business and then booking a meeting. If they wish to book a meeting, use the calendar function to first check the date they offered. If they haven't offered a date, you offer some suggested ones, priority being in the next 2 days. And if they want some other than a meeting, you do best to answer their questions. Your goal is to gather necessary information from the website in a friendly and efficient manner. If they wish to book a meeting, you must first ask for their first name, ask for their email address, and request for their preferred date and time for the code. Confirm all the details with the caller, including the date and time of the code. Be kind and funny and witty. So these are the prompts that are required in order to sound the AI just more human form and not the robotic form. So this is the prompt that I have added in the AI agent, and then I have connected an open AI chat model. We can use GPT-4 or Mini or any other model as per our requirement. And here I have connected my OpenAI account to this. For the simple memory, I have added the context window length to 10 and have connected this to memory. And for the tools, I have got the calendar tools here. So get all events and create event. Get all events is required because in order to let the person know that if any meetings are clashing with the meeting that the AI is suggested, or the if the person is requesting a certain time, we could able to see that if any meeting is being conflicted with that or not. So through get all events, we can set this to automatically and the resource to be to the event operation to get many, and from which calendar, from my calendar, and we can limit to the 10 meetings, and after we can put the after date to from AI after date, and before to from before date, and we can set the time zone here. So here is the time zone, and then while creating an event, we can keep the resource as event operation to create, and select my calendar, and keep the start date from this from AI start date, and keep the end date to this, and use the default reminders to true, and attendees we can keep the user email address that the user will put, and summary would be here from the AI. This is all the AI agent that we have created, and if we save this, so one more thing we need to make sure is that we put this to active state, and now let us do the deployment in our WordPress website. So here is an example WordPress website I have created. So here is the WordPress dashboard, and here is the WordPress website that in which I would like to add my website AI agent. So in this website, come to below part and search the HTML node, keep the HTML blog here, and in the HTML blog, if we go to the N8N chart page of the NPM, I will put this page in the YouTube description. You can see that there. And if we see, we are getting a CDN embedded for this. So just copy this script, go to your WordPress website. Now do the pasting, and in the webhook URL, just copy the chat URL of your agent. So here is the chat URL you need to enter, and in the initial messages you can do the upgradation here. So here are all the options that you can configure. So here are the initial messages. Just copy the initial messages and then paste them. So in your website, just put a comma after this and put the initial messages here. So for example, I put this as Vibhu and then do the publish. So if I see preview the changes, I'm just making sure that my website AI agent is active. Yeah, it is active. So if I go to the preview changes, here is the N8N chart on which I will click, and here is my initial messages, and I will ask that about my business. Hey, hi there. It is also saying that, hey, hi, how is it going? What brings you Stellardevs today? Tell me more about your business. So in the AI agent part, as we have already input what our business does, so it is getting the context from that only. So it is telling what about the business, what actually the business is. And once that is done, we can ask for setting up the meeting. Please book a meeting for me. Name I can enter. Yeah. So I have asked him in order to book a meeting, and then it is asking me the email address and the preferred date and time. Email I can say john@gmail.com. Time say 3 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Yes, sure. Sunday would be fine. Yes, sure. Yeah. So it has created me a meeting link, and here is my summary of the meeting. And if I go to my calendar, I can see that on this I have got the meeting with the John Doe, and here is my email, and here is my email address, the attendee, and here are the meetings that are booked. Along with this, along with the booking meetings, I can also ask some more questions related to business. For example, what are your pricing? So these questions can also be answered through this agent. So it told that our pricing at Stellardevs is based on project, so it really depends on the scope and complexity of what you need. We keep it transparent and fair, no hidden fees or surprises. If you share a bit about what you are looking for, I can give you a rough estimate or guide you better what type of project do you have in mind. So this questions can also be answered, and if I try to maneuver it to some other talks, for example, what is stock price of Google? So if I try to maneuver it to some other talk, this shouldn't do, and this should steer back to our original regarding our business. Yeah. So it said, oh, I can't fetch live stock prices or market info right now, but you can easily check Google stock price on the financial website, and they are like magic of the kind info. Got any other questions about stellar tips or something else which I can help with? So this is a smart agent that can help you in order to build trust among their clients and visitors. So now let us understand that how we are going to sell this AI agent to other businesses. So clients will only pay you when you are helping them in generating revenue, generating leads, saving time and saving money. In this example, if we see, we are helping the clients and businesses in order to build trust and relationship. So once the trust is built, that would help in generating the leads as well as generating the revenue. So now what would be the offer? How can you create the offer, a better offer? So you can create a Loom video of the automation and then cold email that to the clients, explain its usage, provide them 7 days free trial, and pricing can be dependent on number of visitors on that website. For example, the range could be $500 to $1,000 as a setup fee. So once that is done, I have also provided you a sample email template which you can send to the clients. So here it goes. Turn website visitors into loyal customers. Free setup offer. Hi, I am your name, an automation expert helping businesses grow faster with smart systems. Did you know most visitors leave without taking action just because their questions go unanswered? That's where my AI powered website chat agent comes in. Built using N8N and tailored specifically for your businesses, it helps you instantly resolve customer queries 24/7, build trust and meaningful relationship with visitors, and boost conversions and revenue through better engagement. And the best part, I will deploy the entire system end to end for you, so you don't need to worry about a thing. Want to see how it works? Watch this short demo, a Loom link that you would provide, and ready to turn visitors into paying customer. Book a quick 20-minute call. You can enter your Calendly link or cal.com link here in order to book a meeting. Let's make your website work for you automatically. Best and then your name. So that's what all about I want to share about the AI website chat agent. If you have any questions, then you can put that in comment box. And if you generally found value video, I would like to request you to please like the video, subscribe the channel and follow me for more AI stuffs. Thank you.